Now we are discussing about money making options. In that today we are discussing about house repair service. Every now and then houses need maintenance and repair. Thus house repair service is a lucrative business idea. If you have knowledge about construction along with a few skilled workers, you can start this business. So house repairs are most important because you are maintaining your house, indoor plants and outdoor plants and gardening and some drainage problems, and house repairs are most important, and bathrooms also certain things, rearrangements will be there, and doors also you should arrange rearrangements and some repairs has to be done. For that house repair services is most important. Nowadays private limited companies and limited companies are also coming for house repair services. So they will first come, one consultant will come, he will verify what sort of requirements are there in this house, what sort of services need, only coloring, only cleaning, or cleaning, not only cleaning, coloring, painting, and doors repairs, windows repairs, and as well as drainage repairs and plumbing repairs. All these things they will observe everything and they will give a quotation for that. If you accept that quotation, then they will accept your services, and you can do this very well. So likewise, house repair services are very easy nowadays. Very good private limited companies are there. In private limited company, job holders are doing that. It is my job. I am having a job. I am doing this service. Likewise, they are doing. Otherwise, personally, if you are arranging a person for your personal repair of your home, means they will feel very burdensome, and it is when it will be completed, when we will get money. Likewise, but in private limited company means they will do like a service. They will do all things in equal manner, in equal way, and equal attitude, so that it is a very good opportunity to repair house repair services also to the private limited companies especially. So it is in local areas you can get in Google business also, in Google also you can get the search link also, and always you can get the details in YouTube also, you will get it, especially in Google also you will get all these business repairs, house repair services, you can get it, and nearby your location you can contact also to them, and you can get the services very well. It is very comfortable and beautiful, but a little bit money will be more, but it is not the problem suppose if you need it. Wishing you all the best.